sweet, spicy, and with a little kick.
That's the perfect description for our spicy strawberry shandy.
Hi, we're the Neils from Unicoi Preserves, and today we're sharing a summertime favorite right here on the Ingles table.
And speaking of Ingles, we've already done our shopping and picked up everything we need.
So let's stir it up. We just got back from Ingles. It is so hot outside, Clark. Let's make a refreshing beverage. You want to?
Yeah, how about that strawberry shandy that we made the other day?
Ooh, and let's spice it up a little bit with that spicy ginger beer we found on the cocktail aisle at Ingles.
Awesome.
But there's not going to be any booze in this one. This is an alcohol-free. I like to call it my no-proof mocktail.
All right. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with some strawberries that we've sliced. Put these in a blender. You could also use a food processor. This is just what I had on hand.
This is some water. So what we're going to do is liquefy the strawberries and turn them into juice.
Need a little bit of fresh lemon juice.
Yeah, this is where the fresh lemon juice, you can really, when you have just a few ingredients, if you use things that are fresh and delicious, it's really going to make a difference. All right.
We're going to pulse this up in the blender, get it nice and pureed. I'm going to run it a couple of cycles to make sure it's chopped up really well. Then we're going to pour it through a fine mesh strainer to get all the solids out. Okay, we've got that nice and pureed up.
What a beautiful bright red color.
It is. We're going to pour this into the strainer over a glass bowl to catch that beautiful liquid.
I'm going to give it a stir, help it through a little bit. You've really got that liquefied great. Look at how fast that's running through. No solids in that today, which is exactly what we're looking for. There you go.
To the strained liquid, we're going to add a little bit more water and some simple syrup. Simple syrup is just equal parts water and sugar heated together until the sugar dissolves. It's much easier to sweeten something that is cold using a simple syrup than granulated sugar. It blends in much better.
We've got a quick tip at inglestable.com that tells you exactly how to make a simple syrup if you've never made one before. So be sure to visit the website and check out our tips there.
And what we're going to do with this, we're going to put this in a container and put it in the refrigerator to get nice and chilled before we build our cocktail. Our mocktail.
I know, that's a tricky new word that's been invented.
So we have some already prepared right here that's been chilled in a carafe.
All right, first things first though. I made some earlier and I froze it in my big ice cube trays. That way when the beverage is, we're sitting outside and it's hot, the ice cubes start melting, it's not gonna water down your mocktail.
All that is some of the strawberry syrup poured into an ice cube tray and frozen. So what we're going to do is just top this up about halfway.
Halfway, Clark, halfway. All right, and if you do that other one with the strawberry juice, I've got some spicy ginger beer. There's really a lot of different juices and cocktail mixers available at Ingles. And when I was looking at different ideas to put recipes together, I found this one and it's got like coriander and cayenne pepper, so it's really a nice spicy adult taste without any alcohol. I think we're going to need another can, Clark.
Just so happen to have one right here. You want to give them a little stir?
I do. I didn't get a spoon, but you know what? I'll bet this knife will work. Watch your fingers. All right, we've got some garnishes already made. This is pretty simple. I just took and sliced a strawberry on the bottom so it's got a little place to catch on the glass and topped it with a lime.
A lemon.
Or yeah, a lemon, lime, whatever you have. There, that looks pretty, doesn't it?
I didn't know you had a slice in it.
Oh, see?
Getting all fancy with me. All right, there we go.
We got to make our mocktails fancy.
There you go. This is our spicy strawberry shandy. Remember to check out the rest of the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
Until next time,
we'll see you online.